Well, Friday the 9th of November. Sat in watching poxy shite on telly again. Professionals. Repeat. Oh God. This is a good tackle though. My friend brought me this, Craig. Said it'll do you good. I thought, right, it will. For afterwards I've got some some of this shit here. So I'll be back on later. What do I say? Find something to talk about. Don't know why anybody watches this. They might do, they might not. If they don't, tough shit. Right, I'm going. Fed up.